the beach. It's 7,000 step. We found 2 whole sand dollars. Whoa! Cool.
We go down and we can't see the other boat. And then we go up and we can see him. We go down.
Make sure Michelle can't watch that video.
Down. I know, yeah, she definitely won't now.
Dean, you ready?
Oh man, it is nice out here. There's a big old I love the big swells. They're deep, but they're far apart, so they're just like rolling giants. So awesome. We go down a little bit. And we're gonna go up. And then we're gonna go down. Paul might struggle with this one too.